So in this very lesson, we shall be looking at the question number 12 of the 2025 wassce core mathematics objective question. If you haven't followed me yet, kindly click on the plus sign to follow me or subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what does the question says? The set P is defined by this S is such that S is equal to 3, 5, 6. And they also have another set which is giving us S is such that S is greater or equal to 2 and this same X is less or equal to 5. And these two sets P and Q are the subset of the universal set, which is given as this S is such that S is greater or equal to 1 and this same X is less or equal to 10, where X is an integer. We want to find P complement intersection Q. So these were the set of possible answers that were given. Once we are done, we are going to circle or tick the correct one. How are you going to approach a question of this form? So you can see that this question falls under set, one of the popular topics in mathematics. So let's see how we can solve this question. So we have set P and then set Q. So let's list the elements or members of these two sets. Let's start with set P. So set P contains the element 3, 5, and then 6. So we have 3, 5, and then 6. So we are going to write the element for that. It says that X is greater or equal to 2. So it means that we are going to start from 2 and then this same X is less or equal to 5 and then we end at 5. So we start from 2 and then end at 5. So we have 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Then we move on to the universal sets. So we are going to start from 1 and then we end at 10. And these elements, they must be an integer. So we are going to start from 1, 2, 3, 4. So our task is to find P complement intersection Q, complement of P. The complement of P means we have to look through the universal set to see or find those elements in the universal set that are not in the set P, and those elements of members becomes the complement of P. So before we can find P complement intersection Q, then we need to find what? P complement. So we have P complement. Those elements in the universal set that are not in set P. So we have 1, 2, we have 4, we have 7, 8, 9, 10. So all these elements are in the universal set, but they are not in set P, and those members becomes the complement of P. So once we know our complement of P, we can find P complement intersection Q. P complement intersection Q means we have to find those elements that belongs to Q and at the same time belongs to P complement. In other words, we have to look through P complement and Q if we can see an element that belongs to Q and at the same time belongs to P complement. So we can see that 2 is common to P and then P complement and then Q. We also have 4 is also common. We have 5 is not common, so we have 2 and then 4. We have 2 and then 4, 2 and then 4. So it means that these two elements are common to Q and then P complement. So we are going to write them. So P complement intersection Q, we are having 2, 4. So once we have this, we are going to look through the possible answer to see which one of them has the element 2 and then 4. So you can see that the right answer is B. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.